Hello everyone, my name is Kerry Fakit. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 common hair and scalp disease and how to treat them. The first is dandruff. Dandruff is a very common condition that causes the skin on the scalp to flick. Although it is not harmful or contagious, the visible flicks and itching it frequently causes can make it uncomfortable and embarrassing. Treatment. Medicated shampoo can typically be used to treat dandruff at home. The important thing is to choose a product that contains the appropriate active ingredients for your particular requirements. The second is ringworm. Although the term ringworm refers to a ring-like rash that frequently occurs in the other types of tinea infections on the body, tinea capitis, also known as ringworm of the capitis, is a fungal infection that affects the scalp and hair shells. It is a very common condition, particularly in children aged 3 to 14, and is more common in hot, humid climates. Treatment. Antifungal drugs are used to treat ringworm for minor cases. These include over-the-counter cream, spray, powder for more severe infections such as scalp, ringworm. Prescriptions, strain, topical or oral treatments are used. The third is head lice. Pediculosis capitis is the medical term for a head lice infestation, which is a relatively common ailment, particularly among school-age children, and is not an indication of poor hygiene. Head lice are tiny wingless parasitic insects that live on the human scalp and feed on human blood. Treatment. Using an over-the-counter or prescription lice-killing shampoo, lotion, or cream is the most effective method of treating lice. Observe the instructions about the frequency of application. Be aware that babies shouldn't receive some therapies.